Hi, this is Laura from Lyman Joy. I'm a wife, a medical coder, and a mom of 6, and I'm on a journey to become debt-free, breaking generational cycles of debt so the next generation can live and give like they were meant to. So if it interests you, then stick around because today I'm going to tell you 3 things that you need to know when you are a college student, young adult, or beginner at the cash envelope method. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into the 3 things that you need to know. But if you're not a part of this Lyman Joy community, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you'll know every time I post a video. Also give it a thumbs up so others can find me more easily and we can do this budgeting, cash envelope stuffing journey together. Let's go. Number 1, a safe. Having a safe for the cash envelope method at home or at college is a really wise choice for multiple reasons. First off, it is going to provide protection against unexpected events like break-ins or accidents, and it's not going to put others in a position to be accused or questioned. It's really awful when these things happen. I don't know, maybe you have friends over or your kids have friends over or you have a roommate, especially at college, you have a roommate in your dorm and all of a sudden you have a get together and then things go missing. Well, now you have to have a conversation with your friends and your family and put you in a weird position and they're in a weird position and really could damage your relationship if you're wrong and they had nothing to do with it. It's best to not even put yourself in a position to have to do that. So put your money into a safe and that eliminates that. Secondly, it serves as a tangible reminder of your financial goals and hopefully promotes discipline and discourages impulse spending. So it's a lot harder to buy those shoes online or that something on Amazon if you have to go into your safe with a lock or a keypad, get your budget binder out, get your cash out, drive to the bank and deposit your cash. So it really should and hopefully discourage this impulse spending. There's 2 really good options I can give you here. The first one is the one that I got my daughter for college. I'll put it in here. It comes with 2 different combination locks and it's kind of like a security safe, like chest storage box. It's really nice that it comes with like a security cable that you can put around your headboard or anything that's secured in the room so people can't just walk off with it. It's large enough to put in a laptop and papers that are important, as well as your cash stuff binders and your sinking fund binders. The second option is a little bit higher on the price point scale, but it is a Fireproof safe, and this one has a security pad and a lock in it. And this one will give you probably the most protection for the price. I tried to find one for you that was a little bit lower in the price range, so it's a good starter one. There's of course ones that go all the way up, but I like to give things that are realistic. We're trying to save money here. And this one I would also suggest to put in your personal, documents, your social security card, your birth certificate, things that people can use to steal your identity should go into the safest secured box to protect against other people, but also protect against fires or problems like that, keeping your financial life really, really safe. Number 2, you need to use prop money. This is not only important for your safety, but it's actually really important for building your wealth. You've gotten the budget thing figured out, you're doing the cash envelope method, but now your money needs to work for you. And in wealth building, I feel like this is the very just first step in starting to use some of the things that are out there for compound interest. And this is just a very low one in that totem pole, but it's very good to start with it, which is a high yield savings account. Let me show you my prop money and tell you what I do. So I have, of course, a cash wallet. I do savings challenges and I have a high priority short-term binder, but that money gets used pretty quick out of there, so there's not much to invest there. But my low priority long-term binder, it can get pretty stuffed over time, which is what you want. But I wouldn't necessarily want to keep hundreds and hundreds of dollars in here gaining no interest. There is, things like compound interest, and it's really important to use those kind of things to our benefit. So having things like prop money here where, when I get to 1,000, I can fill it, or 500, or even, let's see here, even when I get to 200, I will go ahead and put that into my envelope, and take that money and take it to the bank instead. This is really like essential not only for safety but for growth. And I would suggest a few different ones. Number one, I would suggest Wealthfront. They're the ones that I use. I have them in my link below. I love them for the fact that I can pay bills out of there, that I can also get money from an ATM. I like their interest rate. It was 4.55 last time I looked. You will get an extra, half a point, a 0.5% interest by using my link below, but they are really good for that. And I really like the fact that they don't have a bunch of fees or hidden agendas. Next one that I think is really good is Ally Bank. They not only have high yield savings accounts, but they also have CDs and money market accounts that you're going to want to look at. They're really good as well. And they both have been around for a long time, and they are tried and true. They do not have a brick and mortar place for you to go into, but go ahead and check them out online. I think that they're really good suggestions to use. So prop money is where it's at. Use the prop money to keep your money safe, and so that you can take your cash and put it into a high yield savings account and earn more money. All right, so you have a safe, your money is secured. You have prop money and it's being invested into a high yield savings account, so it's growing. Now, what if you just don't have very much money and you're feeling like this is really hard because I don't have enough? I understand. So I'm going to give you a few different tips and tricks on how you should do. Number one, I think you should use the apps in your phone that you already have access to. I'm going to go ahead and link a video up here in the iCard that will show you, you can use Fetch with Ibotta, with Walmart pickup orders and emails to plan your meals and make money back on every single purchase. But even just using the Fetch app will make you money back every time you take a picture of a receipt. You're earning points. Every time you refer a friend, you're earning points, and those turn into gift cards from Amazon and Eating Out and Visa gift cards that you can use on your everyday expenses and save your money for something else. Okay, that's one of them. Also, you need to look at your insurance. I cannot tell you how many folks, when I've encouraged them to look at their car insurance, when they'll call and get different quotes, they can save 50 to 100 to even more money sometimes on their car insurance. So you could get a few different quotes if you haven't done that recently. Another one is your cable bill. I bet you your competitor will beat what you have. It just is the truth, right? After you've had a certain cable for a while, if you call the competitor, they usually can give you an intro deal for a lot less. It is a little bit of a hassle, but could sometimes save you up to $100 or more. So look at your budget, look where you can save groceries or wherever you spend your money on, where can you kind of pare down and make those adjustments, and get more money freed up to do your savings challenges or break free from debt. Another one is if you're in school. If you're a college age student, this one's super important. I just recently did this for my daughter. It's the scholarship system by Jocelyn Pearson. Look, if you're in college, you shouldn't have debt. You shouldn't graduate with debt. I don't care if you're a first year student, second year, third year, it's not too late. The scholarship system by Jocelyn Pearson is golden. There is so much information in her system, and the little investment of a few $100s will honestly just triple with investments that you're going to get back in the scholarships. If you haven't gone back to school and you've thought about how much your future can change, maybe you have a low paying job and you're sick and tired of it and you need to change your future, this is the time. The scholarship system should be able to make that happen for you. And there's a lot of also free college options out there. So go ahead and check her out. I'll put her in the description below, but that also is a system that really could change things for you. All right. And if you're still in debt, I will go ahead and link a video here that tells you how to get out of debt quickly. And if you're brand new to cash stuffing, I will link a video here on how to start. So wherever you're at, just keep taking steps forward, protect your money, let it grow, invest in your future, and always find joy in your journey. And I'll see you next time.